Public engagement is extremely important for science. We must translate science to the public and must tell them why what scientists and researchers do is so important. But most of all, one of the reasons why public engagement is necessary is because we also have to make the public accountable so that they can, with us, take transformative actions. And also building trust with the public is key in order for all of us to fight the global challenges. We've been extremely fortunate to collaborate with the Eden Project in the United Kingdom to bring a public engagement workshop here in Colombia, in Bogota. And the reason for this is to build capacity in a large community of institutions about public engagement, about the importance of science, about the importance of talking about science.